how to delete stuff from your Safari history on iPad. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, first things first, open up your Safari and you'll see a blue icon on the top left corner. Go ahead and tap on it and then tap on history. And on the bottom, you'll see clear. Tap on it and tap on clear history. You can choose the time frame, last hour, today, and yesterday, or all history. And after you choose the one time frame that you want, tap on clear history and then your history will be cleared. Now another option is to go to your iPad settings and then scroll down and tap on apps. There, search for Safari and then tap on it, and then you'll have to scroll down, and here you'll find clear history and website data. Tap on it and then tap on clear history. So these are the two ways how you can delete stuff from your Safari history on iPad. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.